everyone, we are now in week 5 of term 1. It's a busy week and at the same time it's also an exciting week. Why? There's so many things going on in this week. Beginning with Monday, 21st of August, there will be PAIS English test for grade 6 students all the way to grade 10. And there will be national assessment rehearsal for grade 11. So good luck to all students. Tuesday, 22nd of August, plenty of events going on that day. First, PAIS Mathematics test for grade 6 all the way to grade 10. And we also have high school assembly from 2 to 3 p.m. for high school students. We have national assessment rehearsal also for grade 11 students. And there will be online presentations by University College Utrecht. Please contact our career counselors, Ms. Tricia and Ms. Ria, for those informations. And then come Wednesday, there will be PAT Science test for grade 6 all the way to grade 10 students. Again, good luck students. Thursday, an also exciting day, there will be PAIS English test for grade 3 all the way to grade 5. Good luck everyone. And then come Friday, which I'm sure everyone's favorite day of the week. Plenty of events still going on that day. PAIS Mathematics test for grade 3 to grade 5 students. And we also have STEAM Rally, first event of STEAM Rally for high school students. Okay, it's going to be exciting on that day. And then we will close that day with a presentations here in the Scholar Ciputra Library by Tsuchi University of Science and Technology. Please contact Ms. Ria and Ms. Tricia, our career counselors, for the information. As I said, a busy and exciting week. Good luck to everyone participating in those events. And I'd like to close with one. Please be kind. Little kindness goes a long way. Thank you, everyone.